Oh, yung mga pictures, nakita niyo ba yung ano ko mga bell? Hi mga bell. I think they cannot understand me because it's in Tagalog. Doon tayo, kunin mo yung gamit mo. Doon tayo, tingin-tingin tayo doon. We are now here at the largest lake here in Japan, which is the Lake Biwa. Blue Lake Biwa, that one. Oh. Did you see? Ang haba. Ayan. That's the lake, the Blue Lake Biwa. Here in Biwako, Japan. Last year, we were here also last year. But the thing is, I wasn't able to upload it in YouTube, my video. So this is my second year now. It's also my friend here, Marivic. Diba, naalala mo last year, nandito rin tayo last year. Oo, this is the Lake Biwa, Blue Lake Biwa. The largest lake here in Japan. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalaki siya, pero sobrang laki siya. It's like an ocean. Ocean deep. Ganun, oh. Pero ngayon walang smell, no?
Wala dati.
Unlike before, it's raining again, cats and dogs. Ayan! Kainit! Ayan na, palakas ang palakas.
Payong.
Ay! Ito na nga ang sinasabi ko. Kasi dito talaga sa Biwako, it always rains here. That's why we always have an umbrella. Diba? Yon. Lagi kami may umbrella. Ayan. Sige. Para matuloy lang ang video-video na ito, kailangan natin ng umbrella. Ayan o. Still raining. That's gonna be our venue. Doon for the show of DC Live. Ayan. Nakikita nyo ba? Ang ganda ba sa likod namin? This is Blue Lake Biwako. Biwa. Ayan o. Parang malalim yan, girl. Diba? Ayan o. This Lake Biwa. And it's raining right now. Kahit na umuulan, we're still here. Ayun. Ha? Yun. This is the largest lake here in Japan. Biwa. Blue Lake Biwa. And super rain siya ngayon. Tingnan mo ang lakas ng patak ng ulan. Ayan, may ferry boat over there. And you know what? It's very clear when if you see the... Nandito tayo last time, but the thing is, it's very smelly, right, last time. Na ngayon talaga, walang smell siya. Wala siyang smell. It smell really good. Ngayon, walang smell siya. It's very clean.
Layo-layo tayo, baka may ano.
Baka may ano, crocodile or something, ha? Sige na, baka daw may crocodile. Mawala kami sa video. Diba, girl? What do you think? Ay, dito kami ulit. Ayan, the largest lake here in Japan, Blue Lake Biwa. Ayan, it's not Miwa, ha? Miwa, the biggest, ano. No, just kidding. Sige na, bye-bye. This is Francine again here in Blue Lake Biwa, Biwako, Japan. The largest lake here in Japan. Bye-bye.